Okay, ladies, we are back. And this one right here, I think is very, very sexy. It's a sexy, sexy dress. So, this one right here, I think is very good for lounging around. Now, you could, if I put this on, I would say wear a top here and possibly some leggings because I don't know if this is something I would truly wear out like this, right? Either get some shorts on and let this be the style and put this over it and make it look sexy that way. Or like I said, get a maybe tank top and um, put some pants on. But this is a sexy outfit. You can bring it here. See how sexy that is? And then it does do a lot of coverage. So I think it does a lot of coverage, right? So it's a really nice outfit. Okay? So that's one in another black style I was showing you in mesh. Again, remember, this stretches. It stretches. So this is for anyone. One size fit all. Do not feel any kind of way. Very, very sexy outfit. Make sure you look in the description below to see how you can get it, okay? Very reasonably priced, all right? So I hope that you like the outfits that I'm showing you. Thank you for following Dr. Pamela Ages Beauty. Make sure you continue to subscribe and like, and I will be back. Okay, guys, this is the red mesh. I don't know if I really wear red. You see, I had to put something on under. This is not the exact red that would go with this because this is more of a highlight red. So would I wear this one even if I wore an outfit? I would, maybe if I, took it off like that. That made me look sexy, right? And then, you have the, remember it's all around. But I don't know. I think this is nice, but to like wear out an outfit, you're really gonna have to find a red top. I would say do a tank and then find some maybe red pants just to give the outfit a different style. And that will give you some really sexy, sexy, sexy look. But outside of that, it's not so much you can do with this red. Now remember, you can only wear these probably once or twice. This particular outfit, it goes along with this line. It's the same company, same line. I will again put in the link in the description. And anyone can wear it. It's nice. If you like red, get red. Find your red outfits. Make it happen. I'm just showing you the sexy outfits that you can wear no matter what size, especially for any woman, okay? All right, so we'll be back. Okay, ladies, welcome back. I wanted to go into showing you more of the sheer mesh lingeries that you can wear under your clothes that are very, very sexy. So thank you for being a part of Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. Love your comment. Thank you for subscribing and following me. I'm bringing as much as I can so that you can get that sexy on or find some great garments under clothes wearing. Okay, so let's get right into this. Now, this is the sheer mesh, and on my other video, I showed you guys the sheer mesh that you can wear under your clothes and then take off and be sexy. You can wear it with jackets. You can wear it with certain, outfits and really, get it going. This particular one is good to wear when you want your back out. So I wanted to kind of show you this, but for YouTube purposes, we got to be a little sexy cute. So I'm going to try to show it to you best I can without showing too much. But you see how the back is out right there? Let me come here. See how the back is out right there? So your back is out. And so you could wear one of those low-cut dresses. This is perfect because I was looking for something that I could wear that you could wear those dresses where you don't have to wear anything. These are really nice because guess what? You could still, if you don't want to wear a bra, don't wear the bra. and it still holds up. I like it. Now remember, this is a great size for anyone. It's actually actually good. Now what I'll do in the link in the description, I'm going to let you know where I got this product from and how affordable it is. It is so affordable to wear these. So this is perfect because you can wear this with outfits with the back out. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited about it. I thought this was something that you would truly, truly love, that they have. Again, this is for anyone that no matter what size you wear, you can get into this outfit. Because remember, we're dealing with the mesh material. So the next one I'm going to show you the red one, okay? And we're going to see what that looks like on, because I bought them in different ways that you can wear under your garment. So this one is the back out, okay? And remember, you can wear this with just pants and a nice jacket and go out for the evening. And you could wear this with a skirt, with the back out, nothing. So these are really great in the summer. I'll make sure I show you some summer colors that you could wear. But this is more of an evening wear, because you know it still have the sparkle in it. So it's really sexy. Okay, guys, I will be back and I'm going to show you another color style that has a different style to it. Okay, so we will be back.